Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at Relume, which is a AI generated sitemap and wireframe tool. So you basically put in two sentences and it'll make a whole sitemap for you and a wireframe for you. Now I was actually going to make this video before, but the reason why I didn't, well, it was in my list of videos to do, but the reason why I did it today is because Relume just actually published their Figma library of components for free. And this used to be something you would have to pay for. So you'd have to get it on the paid plan for Relume and then you would get it. So just to show you what that looks like, you have basically like 1,000+ components where if I zoom in, you can take a look at this FAQs, like different styles of FAQs that you can use for your wireframe projects. So pricing pages. So if I scroll in, you can take a look. See, so yeah, I mean, like, I'll leave that in the description box below for you guys to take a look at. But yeah, let's go back to the video. So just to go over the pricing for Relume, so there's free. And the free plan, you have access to 30 Webflow components and the Relume Figma kit, which is now free. You have one project, unlimited AI usage, and you can export only sitemaps to Figma, CSV, and text, but not wireframes. In order for you to export wireframes to Figma or Webflow, you need to have at least the starter plan, which you get 3 projects, and you can export wireframes to Figma and Webflow. For the pro plan, you have all that. You have unlimited projects, and you have shared team workspaces. Now, just to keep this video as short as possible, because I'm trying to get better with not having long form content, having it be too long. I wanted to keep it concise and sweet. Let's create a new project, and what I'm going to do is, the first thing you want to do is you want to describe what the website should be about so that it'll build a sitemap for you. So what I'm going to do is I'll do like, say, 10 to 15 pages. I'm going to be like, hey, can you build a website for a garbage removal company? Actually, yeah, let's do that. And I'm going to generate a sitemap. And now what it's doing, it's building a sitemap for the homepage. And you can also build the rest. I believe I'd have to actually click on these. So generate content, generate content, generate content, generate content, generate content, and generate content, blog post. So it just created around 10 to 15 pages. You have the home page, you have about us, you have services, pricing, blog, portfolio, testimonials, FAQ, you have the contact us section, you have project section, you have commercial garbage removal and residential garbage removal. So these are specifically geared towards the actual business. And now what you can do is, if you click on wireframe, you'll notice that all these pages are going to now be converted from a sitemap to a wireframe. So if I click on this, you'll see that it's going to start building these wireframes. And just to give you an idea of how accurate this is, or how closely related it is to the actual section or the sitemap, say for example the hero header section, it says introduce the garbage removal company with a strong visual and a brief description of services offered. So if we go back here, and if I just scroll into the header section here, you can see professional garbage removal services in your area. Learn more, contact us. You got an image at the top and then just a brief description. We provide efficient and reliable garbage removal services to help you keep your space clean and clutter-free. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service and ensuring your satisfaction. Now, there's a couple things you can do. Once you're happy with the sitemap, you start to work on the wireframe. The wireframe you work on in Relume, and then you can actually publish it to, or you can actually import it into Figma, and then you can work on Figma and then turn it into a mock-up or whatever that you can share with the clients later on. So what I want to do is, say for example, I don't actually like this component and I want to change it. So what you can do is, you can do a couple things. You can ask AI to replace the component. You can generate new copy. You can edit the page prompt. You can edit the sitemap prompt. You can generate a new sitemap. You can generate a new page. First, what I'm going to do is so I right click on that section. If I just left click on it, you can see this section here, and you can replace the component. So I don't like the image like this. So maybe I'll do something like a full width background image. So I'll do something like that. And you can also change that to a card style, or you can change it to a normal style. You can also have a video instead of an image. You can, instead of a button, you have a form. So you have a lot of things you can do here as well. Let's replace this component with something else. Let's do this. Maybe I like this. And you can also, okay, so you can do that. Let's right click on this and let's ask AI, replace component. Oh, and then it gives you suggested components. So you have suggested components. So if I right click here, ask AI, you want to edit page prompt or sitemap prompt. Let's do page prompt. And you can actually edit the page prompt and be like, I want you to specifically discuss our USPs and why we are the best garbage disposal company. I'm going to regenerate the page, or I can shuffle components as well. Let's regenerate the page, and it's regenerating the page right now, and it's working. I don't know if it's actually going to do it. Oh, you can. I guess. Oh no, it's building it right now, and you can see the best garbage removal company in town. Welcome to our garbage removal company, where we provide exceptional services that exceed your expectations. You can scroll down and it builds it, streamline garbage removal services for your needs, schedule pickup, environment. Like, it's pretty good. Honestly, it does like 70% of the job for you. You just have to touch it. You have to just basically make it a little bit better in order for you to actually share that with a client. But it's actually pretty good in my opinion. And yeah, you can keep on working with it. Ask the AI whenever you need to ask the AI, and you have a full suite website that you're ready to send to a designer for a mock-up, that or a mock-up, and then you can build the website like that. So let's look at the this is the pricing pages. So pricing, you have options, 19 a month or 29 a month, and you have flexible pickup schedules. Like, it really gets it pretty accurate, and you have a more detailed explanation of the pricing options. But yeah, I mean, that is amazing. And yeah, I'm going to keep it short and sweet and keep it at that, because just by explaining all of that, you can tell how powerful this tool can really be, especially if you develop websites or design websites. It's a really good tool to have in your arsenal. And yeah, I'm going to actually leave the link to this free Figma Relume component kit in the description box below. So make sure you don't miss that. And also, if you can like and subscribe subscribe to my channel and like this video, it would help me a ton. It just encourages me to do a lot better with my videos. Sometimes I know I rush my videos, or I make it too long or not as engaging. So I am trying to get better at that, but I would really appreciate it if you can like and subscribe and share if you can as well. So until next time, see you guys later. Take care and bye.